Hi, good morning to honorable president. Myself, Sambu Somar, assistant professor, Science College of Technology. As I said that earlier in the previous three videos, we have discussed about the various type of humanoid robots and what are the type of sensors we are using. Now we are going to come under the part of actuating techniques and also the planning and control of the robots. So normally the robots actuators are the motors responsible for motion in the robot. So humanoids are constructed in such a way that they mimic the human body. So the actuators that perform like muscles and joints through their different type of structures to achieve the same effect of a human motion. So normally human robots are used mainly rotary actuators. They can be either electrical or pneumatic, hydraulic, piezoelectric or ultrasonic actuators. So the ultra similar when I say that it is similarly act as in a human body, where the movement has been achieved by using these kind of gesture controls and the actuator mechanism has been takes place in a major vital role. So ultrasonic actuators are designed to produce the movements in a micrometer order to produce ultrasonic frequencies over 20 kilohertz. They are normally useful for controlling vibrations, position applications, and quick switching. Similarly, the piezo actuators also obtained in the humanoid robots, where it has to be developed for the generator of small movement with an high force capability when there is voltage is applied. They can be used for ultra precise positioning and all for also generating and handling high forces or pressures in static or dynamic situations. Similarly, the pneumatic actuators operates on the basis of biogas, compressibility, and as they are inflated, they can expand along the axis and they are deflate based upon the contrary. This is how the actuators has been placed in major role. Once the actuators has been done, there should be a plan and there should be a control right now. So when see that planning and control is one of the basic essential requirements and difference between the human and it is a basic differentiation between the humanoids and other kind of robots like industrial ones. This the movement of robot has been like human like using legging locomotion, especially big the ideal planning for humanoid robots during the normal working should result in a minimal energy consumption like it does in the human body. And also to maintain dynamic balance during a walk, a robot needs information about contact surface and current and desired motions. Similar to allow the humans to move in complex environments, planning and control must focus on the self path and obstacle avoidance. These are the planning and control has to be take place. And when you come for the recognition technology, uh, into within 2000s, there is a lot of things has been surrounding moving objects. These are the actuation techniques where plays an important role when it comes to planning and controls. Once the actuation techniques has to be obtained by using the human values. And when you compare that with an actuating techniques and what is the planning and control, the main difference is what are the things it has to be done by using an actuator has to be controlled and planned and executed through an robot gestures or something others by this or something where the human has fed the data to the environment humanoid ICUs. So the actuator has to perform the certain task. Meanwhile, the task has to be planned and controlled by an external body, which makes the humanoid robot to work and is an exceptionally one. So it can be either by using an electrical or pneumatical or piezoelectric actuators or all the pneumatic actuators. These kind of actuating techniques and pneumatic controls, which makes the execution is a proper thing by using a control plan under a certain environment based upon a certain environmental conditions. These are the important key factor when we assumption that these humanoid robots are working upon. And as I said earlier, these are the different type of references I have taken over the session to identify the important needs of humanoid robots and the actuation techniques we are used. And thank you for watching the video. Hope I can see you in the next upcoming video about the final topic about the humanoid robots. Thank you.